Leaders often find themselves overwhelmed with requests, tasks, and responsibilities. So how can saying no actually strengthen your leadership abilities? Let's find out. First, saying no allows leaders to prioritize their time and energy. By carefully choosing which tasks and projects to take on, you can focus on what truly matters and excel in your roles. Second, saying no helps leaders maintain boundaries. It allows you to set clear expectations, avoid burnout, and ensure that you have enough time and resources to devote to your core responsibilities. Third, saying no fosters authenticity and trust. When leaders are honest about their limitations, it builds credibility and shows that they prioritize quality over quantity. Others respect leaders who are not afraid to say no when it's necessary. Lastly, saying no encourages innovation and empowerment. By declining certain requests, leaders can create opportunities for others to step up, take ownership, and develop their own leadership skills. It allows teams to thrive and contribute to the organization's success. Remember, saying no is not a sign of weakness, but rather a display of strength and self-awareness. So embrace the strength to say no, empowering leaders to excel. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. Catch you next time.